Hi, my name is Santa Gaby Magbanwa from EMS 6 ERT Department. Here in this video, we will be answering 3 questions. What are the skills and learning have you gained in your work immersion? How did your experience in work immersion prepare you in your future job? What do I have to say about working in Cryotech company? First, I'm going to say my experience with Cryotech is fairly good. I mean, it helped me know how a department or unit works, giving me an idea on how jobs work. Second, it helped me realize how similar and different being in school and being in work. Because unlike in school, where when a student makes a task and their grades are incomplete, all they need to do was message or talk with the subject teacher and pass the incomplete task. But here in work, that is not acceptable. You need to be on time. You need to be considerate of other people's time. In short, dilly-dallying wouldn't work. I really like it that they treat us like an employee. During these past few days, we learn about etiquette and what to do and what not to do in jobs. 3. The Cryotech LMS is pretty easy to understand. The only problem is when we have group tasks, it's hard to reach out with my other members regarding their task. So our work is getting pushed back. But well, because of that experience, my soft skills such as communication, teamwork, problem solving, time management, creative, and being emotionally intelligent significantly improved during this immersion. One thing I want to add before I end this video is that immersion made me grow a backbone. Why? How? Because now I have boundaries. In the past, I let other peers chat or ask me for favor during ungodly hours, and yes, I did. I did respond to them. That's my fault on my part. I can't really say that all of my issues and problems and what I lack disappeared during the immersion, but this immersion really helped me have an idea and helped me start to change for me to grow.